Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this chemistry question. Two unlabeled bottles contain colorless solutions, one of which is sodium carbonate solution and the other is sodium chloride solution. Which solution, when added to a sample from each bottle, would most readily identify the bottles? Okay, so if you want to identify these two solutions, you have to add something that has a reaction to one and no reaction to the other, or there's a visible change to one and not the other. Okay, so let's see which one will give us this. Okay, hydrochloric acid is the answer because hydrochloric acid actually reacts with carbonate to give you salt, carbon dioxide, and water. So it actually gives you carbon dioxide with sodium carbonate, but acid with sodium chloride, there is no reaction. So the other one, there is no reaction. That means no gas is produced. So B is the answer. How about C? Okay, look at C now. C, lead nitrate. Lead nitrate with sodium carbonate. You will get a precipitate of lead carbonate, which is a white precipitate. And then if you add lead nitrate to sodium chloride, you will also get lead chloride, which is also a white precipitate. So you cannot differentiate the two solutions. Whereas A and D will also have similar reactions when you add to these two solutions, so you cannot differentiate. So hence B will be able to differentiate these two solutions. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you are a miracle.